Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Deputy Commissioner Jong East Khasi Hills ka Kong Rosetta M Korba hakar penyo trunai wing araja posan kelakap riban ban blight bite ba jaga kali bertamai Hyundai Venue haka showroom Jong Shillong Hyundai bedan hamau yong rim Shillong kini kali kedon lagi Jong Kidor ke basdang nadu nyolak hab Hyundai hajar kedai spak tingka hadu kat saulak san pun 2000 ar spak tingka kiba pendan kam da ko umpiang petrol kat ba ko Hyundai Venue ka pendan kam da ko umpiang diesel kedua kolong nadu kendai lak de kendai hajar kendai spak tingka hadu kat san lak nai pu hajar chi spak tingka haga jing plai pat ba ya kani kali bertamai lasa kilang ru ki customer Jong Shillong Hyundai ki blasha khot ngobha ki chief executive officer ka Kong Joli u managing director ba Kiti Marbanyang ba kinontre Jong kani ka Shlam de kali
precision and love.
It gives me immense pleasure and pride that today we would be unveiling the all-new Hyundai Venue, a bold evaluation of India's most loved SUV. This new Venue reflects Hyundai's progressive vision, offering more space, more technology, and more confidence in every drive. The all-new Venue now stands taller, wider, and more imposing, with an extended 2,520 mm wheelbase, and that enhances both cabin and road presence. Its refreshed exterior features twin horn LED DRLs, quad beam LED headlamps, and a dark chrome radiator grille, R16 diamond cut alloy wheels, and a striking horizontal LED tail lamp setup, coming together to create an unmistakable modern SUV identity. Step inside and you're welcomed into a world where technology meets comfort. The beautifully crafted cabin features dual 12.3 inches curved panoramic display, a first in the segment, with premium H architecture dual tone interiors, a terrazzo textured crash pad, and a moon white ambient lighting, and thoughtfully designed coffee table center console. Features like 4-way electric driver's seat, 2-step reclining rear seats and rear AC vents, scoop seat backs, and rear window sunshades elevate the comfort for every passenger. When it comes to performance, the all-new Venue offers a versatile and efficient engine lineup. The 1.2 Kappa MPI petrol, the spirited Kappa 1.0 turbo GDI petrol engine, and the dependable U2 1.5 CRDI diesel engine. All available with manual, automatic, and a DCT transmission. Each combined and engineered to deliver a smooth, confident, and dynamic driving experience. Safety and protection have also been taken a step ahead. The Venue features an advanced lighting system, strong body structure, and improved ergonomics. Wider door openings, a rear sunshade that both offers heat and protection, and privacy, ensuring a secure and comfortable journey for all its occupants. The new Venue now comes with ADAS 2 and also features safeties like 6 airbags and all 4 disc brakes as standard for all the cars. With a trust over 7 lakhs happy customers across India, the Hyundai Venue has already built a strong legacy, and today, in its future design, advanced technology, enhanced comfort, and powerful performance, the all-new Venue sets a bold new benchmark in the compact SUV segment.
Okay. It's adjustable.
Yes. Push it back.
You can adjust the seat and all. And then best is the display this time. It's something like it's very driver friendly. And what need this one? Yeah. Good night. And it's got 6 airbags.
Venues, another venues online. Online, kanita kayo. Venues, right? Cái chúng ta ba. Online.
Congratulations to all of you. This is a new addition and it's very beautiful. And I still remember the first day when this showroom was open. It was 15 years ago I was here. And subsequently many times when you had your anniversary, I had the privilege to be a part of this family. So I congratulate once again to each one of you. I still remember this place because it was away from town and we were always thinking like, it's very far and things like that. But as you see, the town has expanded and this has become one of the economic hub nowadays. And I really appreciate all of you, especially the atmosphere here is very friendly. The entire team here are very friendly people and customer friendly, as I'm also one of your customers. So I really thank you and I look forward to your, success and even in the absence of our dear Danmi and Ronnie. Big regards to the boys and definitely this is a new addition and it's very beautiful and it's very comfortable as well. And we need more addition of new cars. People are always going for new things. So, this is exactly one of the best release so far. And we hope that, it will continue to, for the growth of this showroom. And I wish each one of you all the best with this. I'd like to thank you once again and congratulations. God bless each one of you.